session so much. The systematic order was amazing. Thank you so much for that. I love the systematic way that the house goes. And understanding was very, very easy, and incorporating in daily life would be much easier. I completely understand that. I got some few insights that I had some issues about, especially from the examples people gave. So
Mhm.
the ideas were very amazing and interactive plus on that. So that's all I have. Thank you so much. Hope you have a good day.
The session was amazing. I just also have a doubt that when we talk about children, like especially in school setting, like now all schools are supposed to be inclusive since national education policy. So like we are as one of like the light bearers or somebody who's imparting the knowledge. So I just wanted a little more clarity on how do we really categorize who are special, not special, because some children just need some support, like some cues.
Yes.
So neurotypical, typical, and neurodivergent. So because then it's like an umbrella term, and we don't want children getting labeled, but at the same time we want our fellow peer teachers also to have some understanding. So could you just clarify those terms so that like it'll be more handy
Thank
in
you so much
schools?
for the session, ma'am. First of all, we
Thank you.
all felt like home. We did not feel like we are here for the first time. We feel like we
Thanks.
all have been here together since so long.
Yeah,
The group setting and all. So
right.
we learned a lot of things. Like we had to, we came to discuss a lot of things. Not that we
Mm-hmm.
learned, like we could share so many things which everybody know. There are parents of special kids. There are teachers of special kids. Everything.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, being a special kid is not anybody's fault, right? The kid
Right.
itself don't have any fault. Yeah. So our ultimate aim should be to help, like their feelings.
Absolutely.
So hope we all succeed in that, and let this be a first step towards that.
Ma'am, very interesting and very wonderful. And it has been very helpful for me this session because I have a special need child
Mm-hmm.
whom I got diagnosed at the age of 3.5 years old. And
Mm-hmm.
I faced a lot of what you can say, a lot of objections from different school. I've shifted my child from this school to this school because they said we cannot accommodate your child because now he's 13 years old. So that time when he was in nursery, so they said that he's very hyper. You give us a shadow teacher and this and that. So I
Mm.
had undergone through so much of trauma, you can say that
Yeah, it's
now
also a
that
very big
yeah,
social
yeah,
stigma, which I think.
stigma.
Mm.
So now that I have got him admission in a good school in Delhi itself, so but I can understand the difficulty and the pain of the of each parents like ADHD, be it ADHD or Down syndrome or autism. So for all the parents and for all the teachers, we all need to do this type of course, and so that it will be helpful for others and for our kids also.
Mm.